burn?
I don't know. I've never done it. I don't understand why people can't hold it in.
This can't go on Facebook.
3, 2, 1, slam.
I see vapors coming out. Oh my god. Oh my god, his teeth are brown. Oh my god.
Give me a glass of water.
Okay, this cannot go on Facebook. We already decided, but it's pretty great.
Why not?
Can it go on YouTube?
Are you done? No?
Is it? I loved it when he was like, and this puffs of smoke came. Cinnamon smoke.
I was gonna say, wouldn't it? It's
I
like
thought he was
dust.
like baby powder.
I know.
Water. Just plain.
The shit we do.
I'm totally showing this to my friends at school.
You can show your friends, just don't put it on.
Hey, the good thing is there'll be no snakes in my front lawn. Because they
Exactly.
hate
What'd you
cinnamon.
think of that, Dwayne? Your eyes are watering.
Does it burn?
No. It doesn't burn.
It just chokes the shit out of you.
Yep.